What? Boom! Yes, yo guys, what's up and welcome to another video. Today we are testing out action cameras, the best action camera for FPV. Which is the best one? Here I got the brand new Runcam Thumb Pro 4K. It's a very tiny camera, but I want to compare the quality with the GoPro Hero 10 Naked, Insta360 Smo, Insta360 Go 2 and the DJI Action 2. So we will see. Crossing so tiny holes with this small setup, with this small drone and the small camera. You can easily cross any gap. That's just very nice. Next I will be using the Gap RC Cinelog 25 with the GoPro Hero 10 Naked. I also got the GoPro Bones, but this is made by Flywoo. They also sell them. They are a little bit lighter than the GoPro Bones.
Rebel soul child got a fist balled, I'm a respawn of ancestors and I'm blessed, They are not him, tell him fess up, I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless, yeah, I got next up, right, no we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride, you do better keeping it quiet, my pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened, I like who I am but I'm biased, they palette is right and my drip is a fountain, I'm not like these regular guys, all of that talk is misguided, she like the way I make the tape print, but the way I make the words play is grim. I'm the reaper reaching for the kill switch, the label cut the check like the bladesman. Something sparking where his brain is. The beat is somewhere where they prayers in. Geronimo, the way I make the bass jump when no parachute is tasteless. They likely to run their mouth, but when they see you face to face, they quick with the shape shift. Up through the night, work the grave shift. Batted from the cradle to the grave, bitch. Big mad how they face tense. Look both ways for you catch fade. I'm a nice guy on the inside, still I'm not somebody to be played with. Keep it all the way 1,000. I don't remember how the ground feels. I left the city, I've been browsing, treading water that they drowned in. My head on the swivel, yeah. It's only been in my surroundings.
Next one is the DJI Action 2.
But I'ma go all the way up. Bad girl from the soil, she taking me out of this world. Wave, nice guy with a cold shoulder. You be cool, but I don't know you. Wrote a flower and I'm off the potion. Give me superpowers that I won't stop to the bank roll on supermassive. Big bank for the space chatter. Way up in the squad NASA. Copperfield with the dark magic. Subtle flex when I run a race. Tell these rap buddies eat my dust. Lil baddie after cellular. Talking life and how we set it up. I'm a sharpshooter, yeah, Will Smith. Call me Prince Park, let me freshen up. Bay boy on the level up. Way up near the nebulas, I'm never copping a chain, cause I see it all through the frames. And I leave it all on the pages, feeling like they want me locked in a cage. They want us all on their fade, but I'ma go all the way A with it, cause I don't feel all the way safe here. Yeah, spray the champagne, shower up in the air. Stunning goggles, I don't mess with the flu. Untamed and she wide off the goose. Ghost ride, yeah, I come through the roof. Ducking 12, get it all on my tail. Hella wild and I break all the rules. Chill, chill, bro, you way out of line. Yeah, I know it's a mood. I'ma go all the way up.
This drone is very loud compared to the other drones. It's a little bit heavier, bigger, more power, but also louder.
I'm crazy with it, got the phrase jumping off the page, gifted, got the waves wishing, got the neighbors tripping, got the trap booming, jumping out the speakers, drip on me, jumping off the easel.
Okay, next one will be this Smart 25, I think it's called, by Gap RC. And this is not a Cinewhoop, so it has no ducts. I think it will be much quieter, and we will fly it with the Insta360 Go 2 action camera. This is a very tiny, small camera. I think it's a little bit heavier than this Runcam Thumb, but still very light. Camera's running.
Just text, I know it's a toss of pride. I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue what you're doing right now. Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we can run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up.
Last but not least, I will be flying the Insta360 SMO. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. Please write in the comments down below which action camera footage do you think looks the best. Subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. I will be doing a lot of other projects soon, photography, filmmaking, so this will not only be a drone FPV channel, but I want to keep this drone videos coming every Sunday, so make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.